Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a while back, like the very start of my channel, I shared that I had gotten the, what are these even called? These were shown in Shark Tank, curlers that you put in your hair wet and they come out beautiful curled. And so I wanted to show you guys how I use these. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've already washed my hair and I actually did blow dry it, so right now it's dry, but I wanted to show you what kind of products I use in my hair before I go in with any sort of styling to my hair. So the first thing I use is the Daily Hair Repair from Aveda. This is also a heat protectant, so I just put this in my hair. This is good for you to use every single day and just repairs your hair, but also again acts like a heat protectant. The product that I use is the Living Proof Instant Frizzer. I really like this product. It helps to soften my hair a little bit more and give it a little bit more shine to it. So I like using this after my hair is dry. First things first is I'm gonna take a little spray bottle and I'm just gonna get my hair damp. The spray. And now I'm just going to take a comb and comb my hair a little bit here. It's still a little dry, so I'm going to just spray it a little bit more in the back. Alright, you can see that my hair is barely wet. So in a pack, you get 8 curlers. Now, if you have thicker hair, you might want to go in with 2 of these. But my hair, I can usually get done with just 1 of these. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to part it in half. So I'm going to take the first half of it and just pin this up. Spray it a little bit more. You don't want your hair too wet, otherwise your hair won't dry as efficiently. So you're going to take the curler. So it comes like this and it's Velcro, so it just wraps around, so you get this really long piece. And then it has a foam piece inside. And then the fabric just goes around it, so you can take these pieces off and throw them in the washer. Okay, so I'm going to first take, you have 8 curlers here, so you want to take a nice enough section. So I'm going to do about this size section, and I'm going to take the curler, the roller, and you want this part to face forward, okay? And this is sticking to the things here, so I gotta move it around here a little bit. But yeah, you want this piece to face forward, okay? And then you want to wrap your hair around the curler, and then you always want to go this way. You don't want to fold this back. You want it to fold where it starts, if that makes sense. And then just wrap it around. Okay, so there's one. And it kind of looks a little funky, but as you sleep on it and things like that, if you want to sleep on this, you can literally just put these in for a couple hours and then take them out. But you can sleep on these, and it's soft and cushy, so it's not going to be uncomfortable like normal curlers are. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Okay. Oh, that stuck to my hair. Dang it. Okay. Okay, but again, now because I only have 4 curlers left, I'm having to use the rest of my hair with these 4 curlers. So what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to take 2 sections of hair And I'm going to split the two that I already have in the back of my head for the back of my hair. We need more curliness in the front than in the back. Make sure you comb it so that way it's nice and smooth before you put it into the curler. Okay. No, I just sectioned off that hair into 3 pieces. And I'm just gonna take the first curler that I have. Alright, so I have all my hair wrapped up in these curlers. I look real cute. A couple things that I forgot to mention. When you're wrapping the ribbon part around your hair, you want to make sure that it lays flat. You don't want the ribbon to be twisted at all. You can either keep this in for a couple hours until your hair is completely dry, or you can sleep on these and then take them out the next morning. I am going to leave these in for just a couple hours just because it's a little too early for bed. It's like probably 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I am going to be leaving these in for a couple hours, and then I will come back on here and show you guys what it looks like. A disclaimer, sometimes when I do this, sometimes the curls don't come out like I want them to. So it's just kind of a give and take thing. It's kind of a practice thing as well. The more you use the rollers, the better you'll get at it, and I don't use these that often. So we'll see what kind of results we get, but I just wanted to get on here and show you guys how do they work. So I'll see you guys back here in a couple hours. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit over 4 hours since I've had the curlers in. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and see what kind of curls we have. I recommend that you put any hair products that you would put it in your hair to style before you put the curlers in. Just so that way you don't have to mess with the curls too much. You can still experiment if you want to with these and see what works for you, but I usually, again, just put my hair products in and then maybe use a little bit of hairspray to touch up once I take the curls out. Go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm just gonna pull down, and you can see that gave me just a big bouncy curl. One thing that I am noticing is that it kind of is like pretty flat on top, and then it's making a weird curl this way, like it's going like that. Instead of it curling back, it's curling forward, which I might have to play around with it, and it might not be a big deal after letting it sit for a little while. But let's go ahead and take the rest of them out. Alright, so all the curlers are out. You can see that my hair has a lot of bounce to it, and it's very soft and smooth. So I'm just going to go and let these kind of sit for a little bit before I play around with it. I feel like letting them sit for a little while before you kind of run your hands through it just helps with the lasting of the curls and just with the overall look of it. So I'm gonna let these sit for just a couple minutes, and then we'll start playing around with it and see what the final look is. While I'm sitting here, I am actually going to take my fingers and run through the top of my head here just to kind of lift up any hair that's been pulled down and kind of give it a little bit more volume so it's not pulling my hair down as much, and it kind of gives me a little bit more volume. So with playing with the top of my head, it did kind of loosen up the curls a little bit here, which is okay. And then you can leave your hair curled after you take the curlers out and let them sit for a while, or you can kind of play around with it. I have found that me playing around with it too much for my hair specifically kind of ruins the look of it, so I'm just gonna barely kind of run my fingers through it. Alright, so looking at my hair right now, I am noticing that I have kind of a little bit weird divots in the front top of my head, which I can go in with like maybe a straightener or even a curling iron and fix those up here and maybe fix some of the curls. You can do that. I like that the way this looks because I usually just kind of pull my hair back and kind of create a do with that rather than keeping my hair down. But again, like I said, the more you play around with these curlers, the more better you will get at how to put them in, so that way when you take them out, it gives you a really good curled look. But I wanted to show you kind of what kind of volume it will give you and what your hair is going to look like. My hair is very soft and shiny. It's not crunchy at all. They just look very kind of flawless waves in my hair right now. But you could, if you want, make them more spirally when you're wrapping them around, so that way you can get a really nice curl. But like I said, I just kind of have nice little waves here, so it's not going to give me good full curls. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope it was helpful for maybe those of you who are looking into purchasing these type of curlers. I really would recommend it if you're looking for some way to curl your hair that's heatless and that won't damage your hair. I don't tend to like to use curling irons on my hair just because my hair gets damaged very easily. I try to go as much heatless as possible. So I hope this helps, and if you guys want me to do any more future videos using this product and maybe ways that I've learned to use it, the more I use it, I would love to share that with you. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.